Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix auto brightness not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Auto brightness is basically your brightness of the screen changing depending on the environment around you. And if it doesn't work properly, then first go to settings and go to display. Now you'll find adaptive brightness. You can see I have it disabled. When I enable it, then it should be working, of course. If you already have it enabled though, try disabling and re-enabling it. It may fix it. Now also, make sure to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. Actually, I'm not entirely sure where it's located, so it's best to just clean all the bezels on your tablet, just everywhere, to make sure that there's no problem here. Also, if you have a screen protector, it may sort of cause problems with the auto brightness if that screen protector covers the ambient light sensor. Now also it is worth restarting your tablet by pressing and holding on power and volume down. You can see there's power and the volume down. Then tap on restart and tap on it again. Wait a moment until it restarts, and it may refresh the sensors. Then the last thing that we can do is checking for software updates in system settings. If it is there, if it's not, then like if there is an update available, if there's no update available, then you will need to simply wait until there's an update available, or disable the auto brightness, the adaptive brightness that we did earlier, like to disable and enable it, so it doesn't cause problems. But yeah, you can go to settings, you can go to software update, download and install, wait a moment, and if there's any update available, try installing it to fix some common issues that maybe Samsung knows of. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.